In this lecture, we will cover three tools. But don't worry, these are some of the most basic tools that you use. If you have done any type of photo editing stuff, then you must have used this tool. I am sure of it. Okay, so I have opened up a project which I made for a client. Okay, so I will do now. First of all is the crop tool. When you will click on the crop tool, then there will be these means white borders, and you can just means whatever you want from that picture that you want to crop, just select that from this, from means dragging the borders, and just press enter, and boom, it is the crop tool. Again, the most important thing in Photoshop according to me, the key I use the most is Control plus C, that is undo button. Okay, then when you will right click on the crop tool, then there are these four tools. And slice tool I have used, but it is somewhat of an advanced usage and you will not use it in the daily basis, so I will recommend not to use it. Perspective tool comes when you need to do some 3D modeling, etc, etc, which if you have a strong PC only then you can do, otherwise Photoshop does not allow. Okay, my PC or my laptop is also just 8 GB RAM, so yes, there is a problem. Then the next tool is frame tool, which according to me has a better alternative that we will talk in the later lectures. And but before that, I will tell you how it is used. When you will select the frame tool, then you just click and drag. Okay, when you will do this, then just drag a image, let's say this one, and you just drop it here, and this image will be fit in a frame. Click somewhere in the backspace, and then the frame is done and you are done for the frame tool. But again, as I said, I don't use the frame tool because there is something named clipping mask, and if you have read the notes then you should know that what clipping mask does and what means how you can use it. But still, we will cover clipping mask in the later lectures. It is also somewhat advanced usage of Photoshop, and I will not recommend getting into it just now. Okay, after doing the frame tool, then comes the eyedropper tool. It helps in picking up colors from the images. Just like I love the color of this chicken and I want to use it in my shapes and something like that. So I will just click here and it will automatically pick up the color here. And let me just make something, and see, it is the same color as the chicken, and that is how to use the eyedropper tool. Hope you understand, and I will see you in the next lecture.